Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So listen, my nails are looking like chewed up bubblegum. These have been on for about 4 weeks. So let's go ahead and do my holiday set, and look how pretty these are. I'm gonna show you in this video how I did these nails. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my sanding band, and I'm going to remove the previous set that I had, and I'm basically just gonna remove the color and the top coat and a little bit of the previous like product that I had, just to thin them down a little bit, but not too much. Anyways, hey friend. It's been a minute since I uploaded on YouTube like a full actual video. I've been posting shorts like crazy. Short form content is just so much easier for me to film and edit. But anyways, next thing I'm doing is grabbing my tapered barrel sanding band, and I'm going to remove the cuticle. Anything that's on the nail plate, you want to remove it because you don't want nothing, sticking to the nail plate, because if you got stuff on your nail plate, no product is gonna adhere to your nail and they're gonna slide right off. And remember my motto that I always say in my videos: nothing sticks to smooth or stuff on the nail. So you gotta make sure you remove that. So you guys, how you guys been? How has 2024 been treating you? Let me tell you, 2024 has been a doozy, okay? I'm not gonna lie, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of blessings, but also a lot of learning lessons. 2024 has definitely taken your girl through the ringer, okay? But you know what? God is bigger, and he got me, and I know everything happens for a reason. I am so excited for 2025 and what God has in store for all of us, okay? And I just hope and pray that you guys' dreams and aspirations and everything comes to life in 2025. But anyways, here I am removing the cuticle, and here's the thing, okay? The cuticle, this is more of dry skin. If you can see this, the skin that I'm nipping off is basically like transparent or like white. It's not live tissue. So here's how my nails look after I prep them. And then I'm going to grab the XoXo Mega Stick Base, and that's what I'm going to put on the nails to make sure the gel adheres to my nails. And then the color that I'll be using is my favorite by Nail Dots, also by XoXo, Baby Cakes. The Baby Cakes base is so pretty, you guys. It's like the perfect like pink neutral base. Here I'm applying the Mega Stick base. I'm just gonna scrub that in on the new growth, and then all the way down the nail. Okay, so once you put the Mega Stick base, you're going to cure it for about 60 seconds, and then I'm going to grab my Baby Cakes base, and I'm going to wiggle down well, let me take that back. I'm going to swing from left to right, or right to left, whatever, the gel down the nail. And then just take your time with this, you guys. You don't want to overflow the cuticle. What is going on with all these emails? I'm trying to record this video. Okay, so I muted my email notifications. Hopefully we don't get another one. So once I do that, you're going to grab a long liner brush, and I'm going to dip it in the base, and I'm going to take care of the sidewalls. This lets me basically control the gel and place it where I need it to go. And I'm going to do this on like all around the nail to make sure everything's nice and tight. Okay, so let's use this like a little FaceTime call. What have you guys been up to? What's going on in your life? What are some of your New Year's resolutions or goals? Comment down below and let me know what you want to get into in 2025. I know I got some big goals for 2025, and I just hope and pray that it's aligned with what God wants for me, and he'll make a way if it's meant to be. But yeah, you guys, tell me what you've been up to. How's life? How's work? How's the family? How's the dogs, the cats? Let me know down below. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one more time how I do this. I'm adjusting the camera so you can get a little better angle. I'm going to grab my gel, and you see the little ball that forms on the bottom of the brush. I'm going to drop it, pat, and push it up without touching the cuticle. And I'm going to swing from side to side. Here, I'm just making sure everything's good. You see side to side. And you don't have to go all the way to sidewalls, because that's when flooding happens. That's when you grab the liner brush and you're going to move the product close to the nail folds and without touching the skin. And then you're going to, once you get the desired look that you want, you're going to flip the nail over to make sure you have a nice apex, and then you're going to cure it. Look how pretty it looks. It's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna show you the before. Oof, child, damn. Them nails were looking rough, okay? But let me tell you, I had these nails on for 4 weeks. So next, I'm going to remove the sticky layer, and I'm getting ready to shape, like do the finish file to make sure I got the shape that I want. And I'm just going around the edge to seal everything and make sure she looks good. And then after I do that, I'm going to take a buffing block and I'm going to buff a little bit of the nail. So if there's any like dents or anything like that, it's nice and even without any humps and lumps. Okay, here I'm showing you the color is Rouge Micro Glitter by XoXo. Is E85, and I'm just gonna apply that on the nail. But then I realized you could kind of see a little bit of the pink underneath it, so I went back in and I did a red layer on all the nails, and then I put the glitter red color on top of the nails. I didn't show that because whatever, I didn't want to keep this video too long. But here I'm using these little snowflake stickers from Daily Charm, and I had these for years, okay? They weren't really sticking to the nail, so what I did was I put them down, and then I used some rhinestone glue. I didn't show this as well, but I put some rhinestone glue, and then I attached the sticker on there, and I cured it with my lamp. And after I did that, I did a layer of builder gel to cap the stickers, because if you just put stickers on nails and put a top coat, most likely, unless you do like a thick layer of top coat, the stickers are gonna peel or whatever. So I like to do a layer of builder gel to cap that in. Okay, so the top coat I'm using is by Magic, and it is their nail guard, and I'm just going to apply this all over the nails, and I'm going to cure it and apply cuticle oil, and that pretty much completes the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers, for the OGs that keep coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you want to see from me. Listen, 2025, I'm going for everything that my heart's desire, and yeah, you should do the same, you guys. If you're still complaining about something that didn't happen last year, baby, look within, okay? Because sometimes we be in our own way. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you soon.